morning sunshine smiled so bright. Birdies fluttered with delight. Two little kids skipped down the way, laughing in the golden day. High above the flowers so tall, the one giant sunflower amazed them all. What's inside? They shouted loud. A happy echo reached the clouds. The giant flower gently swayed, golden sparkles danced and played. Its petals slowly opened wide, a glowing sunshine spot inside. Out flew butterflies made of light, painting rainbows shining bright. Tiny honeybees buzzed with cheer, playing flower trumpets far and near. Happy ladybugs twirled around, dancing high above the ground. A smiling caterpillar rolled, leaving glitter trails of gold. Suddenly giant sunflower seeds flew high, they're turning into stars across the sky. A magical hummingbird zoomed around, dropping rainbow petals to the ground. Then a glowing sunshine crown appeared, floating softly very near. Inside sparkled a crystal flower key.